get the sun around the back here from about 11 o'clock in the morning right through the afternoon. So it seemed ideal to have something just to expand the space a little bit. Selected conservatory land primarily because they offered a bespoke service and I could design what I wanted, exactly the shape and configuration, rather than from a catalogue of more traditional looking conservatories. The process was fairly easy, straightforward. I contacted them first of all by email, then by phone. So I sent up the drawings that I had sketched, got the drawings back of what they'd interpreted from what I'd done. I think a lot of people now are more used to dealing with things online, so it wasn't a difficult process. It just seemed to me that if somebody knew what they were doing, it would go up quicker. That's why I chose the approved installer. They arrived, they set to work immediately. They're familiar with how the thing goes together. They're familiar with the base they need to create. It was very quick. From that point of view, it was probably the best option. It's just given us that extra space to occupy, and moving through the living room and out into it is just perfect. We've got sofas in there, so we're out there and can read, and we've got the grandchildren around and they find it as a lovely space to play. So we can occupy the living room, grandchildren can occupy the conservatory, and it just works very well. It sits nicely against the house, it doesn't look out of place or obtrusive. I think the key thing is I weren't having to compromise. I could have what I wanted rather than something nearly there or what the company interpreted as people wanting. I could have what I wanted.